Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon that you can't miss my upcoming videos. So in this video, you can know about what is gold and about some facts about gold. So what is gold? Gold is a metal that is shiny, soft and easy to work with. The name gold comes from an old English word meaning yellow. Gold is a chemical element and its symbol is Au, which comes from the Latin aurum, which means shining dawn. Its atomic number is 79. Gold is found as nuggets or grains in rocks, in veins and in alluvial deposits. Sometimes it is found in minerals as gold components, usually with tellurium. It is a soft metal and is usually alloyed to give it more strength. Gold is easy to work with and can be hammered into thin sheets. It is a good conductor of heat and electricity, and it is unaffected by air and most regions. So, who discovered gold? Gold was first discovered in its natural state in streams all over the world. It is probably the first metal known to man. It was probably discovered by ancient in form of shiny nuggets on the bed of a river, because gold is distributed widely throughout the world. Its discovery occurred to many different groups in various places at many different times, and nearly everyone who found it was impressed with it. Since it is found in its natural state, it is highly valued and has been for thousands of years. In medieval times, many people tried to turn lead into gold but failed. Gold cannot be made artificially from anything else. As gold became more and more valuable, people have killed for gold and wars have been fought for it. Gold was the first metal widely known to our species, and it is the metal that has made the greatest contributions to our economic and social progress. Then, why is the history of gold so fascinating? Early civilizations equated gold with gods and rulers. Gold, beauty, and power have always gone together. Gold in the ancient times was made into religious shrines and idols, plates and cups and vessels of all kinds, and of course jewelry for personal adornment. The Romans developed the technology of mining to new levels. In the Middle Ages, Venice introduced gold coins, the gold ducat, which became the most popular coin in the world for the next 500 years. In 1511, King Ferdinand of Spain launched expeditions to the search for gold in the newly discovered Americas. In 1700, gold was discovered in Brazil. In the 19th century, gold mining moved to the fast track. With the 1948 California gold rush, South Africa became a major source of the world's gold after 1869, and the Yukon gold rush followed in 1896. Mankind has gone to greater lengths and great risks to discover and own gold.